They can literally use the car. I mean, no one asked them to show their skateboarding skills. They can just jump into the car and look at how much the bride is struggling with those flowers under her dress. And now she just falls down because she just doesn't have all of that potential in herself. This is a very interesting house, and this person is just coming in, and I think he's going to take a seat with his laggy hidden camera. You should at least have a good hidden camera, and now he just proceeds to fall down because his seat is completely broken. And I think he's literally thinking about what just happened, as his brain cannot even process what took place, and he literally merely tries to get up, and now he succeeds, and now he's just cleaning everything and acting as if nothing has happened. Some interesting trampoline skills over here. As you can see, she just failed miserably. I mean, she should at least think about what is happening. Did you see how bad that was? Calling the birds inside the car is not really a good idea. This guy gave the bird a french fry and just got it stuck right inside the windscreen. It can't even get its way out, and now it's being forced by this woman outside the door, which he just managed to open. Now the bird just goes out, and they're all literally just laughing upon killing a bird nearly. A man comes out of the door. I think he did some heavy duty work over there, and he's going back into the garage. I mean, he should look up. At least look up. Don't get your head hit onto that garage shutter thing. I mean, he literally didn't even think about what he was seeing in front of him. That is what you call absent-minded in a nutshell. Today I'm going to show the whole world that I can ride a horse. I am actually standing on this thing and pointing towards the cameraman so that he can record me, but no, I have fallen down. I mean, I don't even need to think about safety. I'm just gonna stand upon some random carton that I find on my garage and just step on it to get on the horse. And now my dog is petting me. Some party going on over here. As you can see, everybody's dancing. That guy just makes a backflip and completely fails and hits his head in the process. I think that must have been a bit painful, but his mates don't give a shit about him or his health at all. Just don't jump. We didn't ask you to jump. Why are you taking a good... I told you not to jump. You need to understand that you're going to end up killing yourself. And there is no hospital in here. I mean, you're in a bloody camp. What do you expect over here? Why did you just jump on this thingy? Now you'll have tetanus with that metal that you just jumped on. Think about something one. Some flexing with the virtual reality. As you can see, this man is really using some very good technique to actually come up with the visual reality, and you can see he literally ended up falling down. I mean, you need to understand it's virtual reality, it's not real life, obviously. First of all, this ride is completely not for your age, and second of all, why are you actually trying to do it? You'll end up dying into that ocean in front over there. I mean, think about something. It is such a bloody floody day that I'm going to take my son in this boat, and I'm going to use my lawnmower to power up the boat, and my son is going to have some fun inside these floods, thinks the father. He takes the lawnmower and proceeds to pull the son from the boat and holds the nice chain with his hand, and the son just gets wet and drenched into the flood water. Looks like a beautiful beach over here. These two people are just running, and one of them just falls down and kills themselves in the process, and he just makes a flip and tries to act as if nothing has happened with a big smile on his face. But we all know that from inside he's actually in a big problem. There will be a collision. There will be a collision. Why did you not plan about things before doing them? That is something Indians do, not white people. I mean, look at how badly they've hit themselves because of the lack of planning. They should have planned it out first. They actually hit themselves so hard, and now they're acting as if nothing happened with the dog around just playing with them. Just look at how badly it must have hurt there. This woman is randomly approaching to this person's house, and she's just thinking whether she should go or not. She takes some steps, and I think she's going to make it to the chair. And no, the chair is not going to handle her hand. It actually lets her fall down right onto the floor and hurt herself in the process. That must have been a bit painful right there, and she's just moaning in pain. And that must have hurt a bit over there, as you can tell. This child is trying some virtual reality and literally knocks out the cameraman in the process. It's just too real for him to actually handle, as you can see. A very interesting slide over here, and this woman is just ending up knocking herself out. She can't just make her way up there. It's too slippery for her to handle, and now she's laughing as if nothing happened. This cyclist is making his way through this ramp, and he actually really fails so badly. He can't just handle himself on the ramp. What a strong groom right there. He's literally holding, no, never mind. He literally just drops the bride onto the floor, but holds her back again as if nothing happened. We all know it hurt, my guy. We all know it hurt. Like, let's just be honest. That trampoline right there has a very small entrance. I mean, oh, you have to jump in completely inside to get through it? That's actually very interesting. Those are some very interesting jumps over there. And that's actually a very cool way to get right inside the trampoline. That was a very good jump right there and right through the gates. But this woman over here, She's taking too long to show up. I don't think she will make it. But boom, she just ends up sliding. So this cook is basically going to feed all of this woman through throwing the food. You can see he's actually doing some very interesting job over there with those spatulas, and he actually makes a very good chuck, and this woman is actually eating all of the food without actually missing anything. But no, she has to hit her head on the concrete. Good run up, but just remember that you have to throw the ball. Okay, now throw the ball. No, you don't have to hold the ball. Throw it inside the hoop. Don't keep holding it. This man right here, I think, is going to make a slide, if I am not wrong. He's actually having a very interesting time right there, resting and enjoying his life. He's actually getting some very interesting grip over there, and I think he's going to make a slide. Whoa, he just ended up coming out.